Hello again everybody and welcome back to my channel. I have another easy tutorial today. This is another one that I posted and it had kind of like vines going around using your tails. So this is a fairly easy one. Your tails are going to be equal length and you're just going to twist, not too tight. And you're just going to take them and go across the crown of your head. And keep twisting your first tail until it goes around to the other side. And you can just tuck that in right there. You can leave it hanging out if you'd like. And then we're going to take this side, do the same exact thing. And bring it behind the first one. And instead of tucking, we're going to take it and we're just going to keep wrapping it around that first vine. And you can take that first tail that was in there as well, and you can just keep wrapping it. It all kind of blends together anyway. All right. And you can just straighten it out a little bit. Tuck everything in. And here you can place a pin or a brooch. Last time I used a leaf pin and I stuck it right in here. Today I'm going to be using this one. And I'm just going to stick it right in here, just to give a little bit of flair. There you go. And that is it for this one. So thank you, and I will see you next time.